Onion peels, often considered waste, are actually very beneficial for plants. This simple kitchen ingredient can be used as a natural organic fertilizer that helps enrich the soil and support plant growth. Onion peels contain various nutrients needed by plants, such as potassium, phosphorus, and several other minerals. With proper use, plants can grow healthier, have stronger roots, and be more resistant to adverse environmental conditions. The method is also very easy. Onion peels can be soaked in water for 1 to 2 days. Then the water is used to water the plants. Alternatively, dried onion peels can be chopped and mixed into the soil or compost as an additional organic material. Organic fertilizer from onion peels is suitable for use on various types of plants, such as chilies, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplants, onions, and various other vegetables. Regular use can help maintain soil fertility and improve plant growth. Let's turn kitchen waste into something useful for our gardens and plants. Besides being cost-effective, this method is also environmentally friendly and easy for anyone to do at home. Onion peel dosage for plants. Soaked onion peel water. A handful of onion peels, approximately 20 to 30 grams. Mix with 1 liter of water. Soak for 24 to 48 hours. Strain before use. Irrigate 100 to 200 milliliters per plant for small plants, 300 to 500 milliliters per plant for larger plants. Apply once every 7 to 14 days. Dried onion peels. Sprinkle 1 to 2 handfuls around the base of the plant. Mix thinly with the soil to speed up decomposition. Onion skins can be soaked in water and used as a simple liquid organic fertilizer for plants. How to make? Prepare a handful of onion skins. Place them in a container or bucket. Add 3 to 7 liters of water. Soak for 24 to 48 hours. Strain the soaking water before use. Add coffee grounds and stir until evenly distributed. Mix into the onion skin soak. Benefits of red onion skins mixed with coffee grounds for plants. A mixture of red onion skins and coffee grounds can be used as a natural organic fertilizer for various types of plants. These 2 ingredients are easily found at home and can help improve soil fertility. The benefits include adding organic matter to the soil, making it looser, supporting the growth of plant roots and leaves, increasing the activity of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, helps retain water longer, supports the growth of vegetable plants such as chilies, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions. Reducing kitchen waste because the ingredients can be recycled into organic fertilizer. Applying liquid fertilizer made from onion peels combined with coffee grounds is quite easy and can be used on various types of vegetable plants, such as chilies, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions. Application method. First, strain the solution from soaking the onion peels and coffee grounds. Dilute it with clean water using a 1:5 ratio. 1 part liquid fertilizer, 5 parts air. Sprinkle it onto the soil around the plant's roots, avoiding direct contact with the main stem. Use approximately 100 to 250 milliliters of the solution per plant, depending on the size of the plant. Apply every 7 to 14 days. Best application time: early morning before the sun is hot, or late afternoon after 4 p.m. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this information about using onion skins and coffee grounds for plants is helpful. Don't forget to try it yourself at home using readily available ingredients. With proper care and regular application of organic fertilizer, plants can grow healthier, lusher, and more productive. If this video was helpful, don't forget to support this channel by liking, sharing, and following for more gardening tips.